Hey guys, we all know this is the time of year that everybody starts getting sick. I think it's hit me. I'm not too sure if I'm sick one minute, the next minute I'm sick. One minute I'm not, the next minute I'm sick. So right now I think I'm sick. And this video is going to be dedicated to all the haters out there in the world. You guys, the world needs haters. It won't spin without them. So anyways, I'm going to carve this silly guy. See his feet there, his pants. I'll never really carve these type of things. This is like something that Rob at Just Carve Rob carves. He uses basswood, I believe it is. So see his feet there, his legs, and I don't know. I've never really done one of these things, guys, so I don't know. Just kind of the mood that I'm in, and I'm gonna have fun with this. This is gonna be a fun, sick project. Okay, so I'm not going to put his head in here yet because I'm not too sure where his beard's going to go. And I'm going to paint this guy too. I know I'm going to paint blue jeans on here. And he'll have a t-shirt, whatever. And or a sweater maybe, and his hands will go into a sweater. I don't know. So anyways, I'm going to use this Kutzall Taper Burr Extreme. You can go to the description below. The Kutzall description if you want to get one of these burrs, and in the description, and use the code CFusion. So like I say in my other videos, when I put my burrs in, I don't put them out this far and tighten it up. Sorry for the zooming thing, guys, because then you can get the death wobble in your burr, and your burr will bend, and it's hard on your bearings inside your Dremel, inside your flex shaft. Okay, I'm running a Dremel 3000 today. So I put my burr in, and I pull it out just a little bit. Why I do that is sometimes the burr gets stuck inside the collet that clamps onto the burr. So I push it in and pull. Okay, I push it in, I pull it out, then I tighten it up. So that way, it's out a little bit too far right now. Actually, let's push it in a little bit. Okay, push it in and pull it out just a little bit. Even that's a little bit too far out. So then I tighten it up, okay? Then that way, when that gets stuck in there, if your burr gets stuck in there and you can't pull it out, you can tap it down on the table, it will go in this way, and then you can pull it out, okay? So I'm gonna cut real deep, deep, like that, deep around this guy. I don't know about his arms, his legs look okay. And then I'm gonna change burrs and feather it out with this Kutzall Extreme flame burr, okay? So let's get on with the games, kids. Okay guys, you can see there I got the body cut out. This cottonwood bark's real soft stuff, guys. I got the body cut out and it's raised above now. Now I switched over to a different Kutzall burr. I forget the name of this one, but this one's a lot finer, okay? See this one here? So I'm going to cut his, I guess I'll cut his shoes in. I'll cut his arms in. So I'll cut in the shirt. I don't even know. I shouldn't even say what I'm doing. I'm just going to carve. Because I don't know. Okay guys, at this point of the carving, I'm thinking, what am I making? I don't know, it's got round arms here, so here's his feet sticking out, his pants, his round arms, I don't know, he's maybe have alien arms, but anyways, I'm not going to finish, I'm not going to show you guys any more stuff I'm going to do. I'm just going to finish carving this. This is like 10 minutes for me carving this bark. It's so soft. So anyways, I'm just going to finish this up and I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's done. How's that? All right, bye. Okay guys, he's finished. Look, it's Mr. Shithead. I even gave him some seagulls and a sun and a moon spirit. There he is up there. Anyways guys, this is for all the haters. Mr. Shithead goes out to all the haters. What do you think about Mr. Shithead? Huh? What do you think about that one, Rob? I didn't have a proper paintbrush to paint, the little paintbrush to paint in the eyes properly, but I don't care. That took me an hour to do, but okay. So now I'm gonna carve this, I got this moon shape here. Let's see. I got this moon shape of cedar, flat grained face, and see, this is face grain. You guys can see it, it's real flat, right? This would be edge grain, okay? So you don't want it, when you're doing the burning, this is the Shodan Sogi, whatever it's called, Shosogi Don. You don't want to burn, you don't want to carve this way because you get those lines. But when you carve this way, you get these lines. This isn't going to be a video on this, but I'm just going to carve this just because I'm done with the bullshit, guys. What do you think, Jordy? Yeah, he's definitely Shithead. For all the haters out there, gotta love Shithead. Okay guys, so I just want to show you, I got this blasted off. So tomorrow I'm going to make a video on burning this and dyeing it. I'm thinking about yellow. The moon's yellow, right? Maybe the face red and the rest of the moon here, yellow. You can see here how I carved the back right around. Did they come right around, all of them? So when you're looking at it when it's on the wall, well, it's hard to see here, but it will look like it's wrapping around the beard and everything's wrapping around the wall in a continuous piece. Let's see here. Get a full visual of it. Okay? So this is Western Red Cedar. Look at that grain, guys. Hopefully it will all really pop tomorrow. Hopefully this stuff will really pop when I do that burning. Shao Sugi Don or something. Okay, so we'll do that tomorrow. What do you think about that, Mr. Shithead? Well, Jordy, I think it's a great idea. I'm glad you didn't carve too many details in the face because, you know, when you carve the details, that's when you burn away all the details and it looks like a big bag of poo, just like my head. Mr. Shithead, talk to you later. Bye-bye. See you later, haters. See you later. Love you all. Love the haters. Okay, bye. Shut up. Bye.
Hi guys, my name's Mr. Shithead. Jordy carved me for all the haters in the world. The world needs haters, and without haters, the world wouldn't turn. So everybody that likes to hate, keep hating, because Jordy and all the other wood carvers out there wouldn't carve shitheads like me. Mr. Shithead, see you later. Roger, copy, out.